What's up, guys? Echo here once again. Alright, so quick update on US oil and gold. In fact, just quick update on the market forecast I have for this week, or I sent out for this week. Well, before I start, I was actually saying that I'm expecting to see price get into these points. Now, this is now making me. I'm sorry, guys. Where's my water? Alright, sorry about that, guys. So, uh, with this thing happening in the market right now, I feel it's making me have more strong confirmation that during NFP we're gonna be bullish on the dollar. So we're gonna be bullish on the dollar, and reason for it is once price gets to this point, we'll fill up this gap, and we have this and this left. So now you might see on the let me was let's go to my forex book. So we actually might see uh, a a higher a high rate of unemployment in the US, which is going to cause uh, dollar to actually increase, because when there's unemployment, like I said before, people start to rob. There's need for jobs, meaning when people start to rob, start to steal, and all those things, create causing uh, trying to survive basically, and trying to rob, the country will have no choice than to either borrow more money, which is going to leave them in debt. I'm just explaining, right? Leave them in debt and owe more loans, which is you borrowing, you're owing. The dollar is going to just increase basically. So this is this is it. So like I was saying, I'm expecting it. The actual, okay, they are projecting the previous was 29. So they are projecting that the dollar might reduce, right? The unemployment rate in US might reduce. Hopefully, if it does, it's a great one, because the dollar is gonna keep selling. I mean, yeah, right. So pretty much on this call right now, I just feel like for the fact we're coming to this point right now, we might see price just do something like this, right? During what's the name? From now till today is Wednesday. We might just see price do this during NFP, a spike to the downside, then boom. That's what we might see during NFP. We might first see a spike to the downside, then boom, to sweep out this liquidity. And once price gets here, it starts to stall till the end of the week. Then we might push down a little bit, then continue. So that's what I feel for NFP, right? I'm bullish. I'm more bullish on the dollar, US oil, and that's during NFP, right? And bearish on gold. But let's see DXY. So DXY has been selling, which pretty much we still look, the market still looks uh very it still looks bearish, like we'll push down a little bit. So the market looks like it's gonna do something like this, right? Then That's what I feel the market is gonna do. So, well, notwithstanding, let's see how this plays out. Let's look at gold before I end this live session. I just want to give you guys updates. Now for gold, gold has been I was selling short term and it took us out. It took us out actually. So I'm not one of those guys that will call out a trade and tell you it went in profit, only show you my wins, right? Gold took us out. It gave me profit and boom, it took the profit back and took its own and took my capital. So for me, I was actually expecting to see gold sweep out this liquidity here, which it did, right? Now after gold swept out this liquidity, it came up, sold. I was still in this trade, and boom, it took us out, sold, boom, change direction. So for me, uh, today being Wednesday, we might see gold just keep buying, right? We might see gold keep buying. Might just see gold keep buying. Hopefully, gold comes down here, then it will be very nice if gold does this. Sweep out liquidity, come down, or continue buying. So, but for me, I want to see price. I want to see gold take out this high first of all. Then boom, it has taken off this one, taken off this one, taken off this one. It took out this one. It has swept out this one here. Let me indicate it. Overall, we're just looking at gold range. It's in a range currently. So we're just looking at it, just do its thing. We're not pressuring it, and we're not pressured either. So this one here has been taken already. This particular one here has been taken. Let me take this. Let me use something else. Okay, so this guy has been taken, right? And this guy has also been taken. Let me use this other guy. Let me use this one. I'll use this guy instead. We need to the color. I need to change it. Oh, I can't change the color. Alright, well, cool. So we've taken this liquidity here. We've taken this one. So what's next? If we look at it properly, I'm just waiting for an opportunity to actually wait for gold to drop a little bit, so we can take out this one. Like I said, the closest place where liquidity is resting, that's where the market tends to tap into first. So let's look at GBP USD. Then we'll look into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and GBP USD. Obviously, is buying because the dollar is actually very weak. So GBP USD, this is what it's doing. So we might see this guy just keep sweep out this guy, come back down, most likely, right? So most likely. And what else? Let's see AUD USD. It should still be buy. Okay, that is already buy. So for AUD USD, we'll see this. Boom. And we might see a sell. For AUD USD. Then let's look at cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Alright, so I've been anticipating this move on this guy, to be very sincere. Been anticipating. Personally, I'm still waiting for price to get to this point, which I doubt, but I'm praying honestly for price to get here so that I will leverage it. I will jump on it. I have a pending order here. And once price gets to this point, Oh, I'm not looking back. Man, this is 1:30 and I'm still shooting. I'm just helping you guys analyze this market. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do well to join my Telegram channel also. Link will be in the description of this video. And yeah, the quick one, just in case any of are actually interested in uh, joining my mentorship, do well to send a DM on on Telegram. One of my support handles supports team members on my team will actually respond to you guys. For the first 5 people to register for this August mentorship, the mentorship is going to be for 3 months. Please don't expect 1 month. I'm not among those guys that will tell you 1 month mentorship. Maybe later on I might decide to start doing 1 month, but for now I'm not doing 1 month. I don't really have that time, and I don't want to stress my team members. So for the mentorship is going to be for 3 months, and if you're interested in joining it, feel free to hit the DM. First 5 people would have almost a 50% discount. Yes, 50% discount. So back to what I was saying. I'm expecting to see this guy just buy up into this place, and once the price gets here, I'm going to short this guy really well. So I'm just anticipating. I'm not under pressure. I'm just waiting, hoping, and trying to see if this thing is actually gonna just go our way. Price is just playing around this zone. I just wish price would just bounce off. I'll be very happy and grateful. But yeah, we don't trade what we feel. We trade what we see, and that is why this is the edge strategy. So, that being said, for NFP again, I am bullish on the dollar, bearish on gold, bullish on US oil, and yeah. So let's just see how this plays out. This is just my projection for NFP. Let's see how this plays out. As you already know, guys, Echo is active.